Vercel versus Cloudflare. Best Site Hoster 2025. Vercel is a website hosting platform made mainly for front-end developers, especially those who build websites using React and Next.js. Cloudflare is a global network company that improves website speed, security, and availability. It's much more than just hosting. Vercel best for Next.js. Easy deployment. Just push to GitHub. Preview deployments. Developer experience is top tier. Cloudflare provide fastest CDN, edge functions. Its free tier is very generous. Great for static sites. Choose Vercel if you're building with Next.js or React. Choose Cloudflare Pages if you want blazing fast static site delivery like for blogs, portfolios. That's it. Thanks for watching.